Hi! In Koiro we normally don't do unboxing videos, but I thought I would show you some of the unboxing here. I normally don't buy computers or at least PCs of the internet, but this actually caught my attention as this was a typical case from the Norwegian company EverCom. So I put in a bid for this and I paid some 100 krona for this. So this I thought was a typical example, and this PC was actually assembled in Norway and it was retrofitted with a noise killer that was a fan regulator that was quite popular in Norway back in the day. And as we can see from the badge on this computer, the EverCom company had everything on track when it comes to NEMCO and regulations and stuff, and there also was a serial number on this badge. And it also was a date, although it was kind of confusing as it was stating 91 on the label, but this was changed by pen afterwards. Oh, but this actually caught me by surprise. This was supposed to be a 486 computer, but what I found inside was actually 386 motherboard, and it kind of strange designed with a memory eraser card attached. And that means that this motherboard has been changed or downgraded sometimes in this PC's history. So it's at least not a 486 computer, that's for sure. And this is the memory board that's inside this computer, and this is a special eraser card from a special bus. It's not attached to the ESA 80 bus. There are some rust on this computer, at least there are some markings on the metal, as you can see. Inside you can clearly see that this board has been changed, and here was something that caught my attention. This badge down here for the Victor. Victor was a popular PC brand back in the day, and we also have a serial number, but this did not bring up any searches on the internet. So at least we now know this is either not a 486 or a EverCom PC, but something that's been upgraded and changed at least once in the history of this computer. Yeah, there also is a VGA card and an IO card, and it looks like the original power supply. And there was two hard drives fitted in this computer, one on top and one behind this shield. So I will just take out one of the hard drives, the one behind the shield, to see what kind of drive it is. It's not very good fitted in place. I think it's just the one screw. Yes. Yeah, and this is also a quantum drive as the one on top. And it actually has a label printed on it. This is installed with DOS 6.22 and 1994. So this probably was the original drive from the machine, but it was reinstalled, and this is the 52 megabyte drive. It's probably formatted like 49 megabytes or something. And as you can see, there has been battery leakage in this machine. There are some green crud everywhere, and this is a Varta battery, and you can see the blue and green stuff surrounding the battery and on the chips. And also you can see on this ISO slot, this is the downmost ISO slot, you can see the green spots in here. And although it is some green spots in these slots, and there are some green spots both on the chassis and around the keyboard connector and stuff, it actually doesn't look as bad as you might think, because I have seen little or no markings on the board itself, so it's mostly superficial, I think. But of course there are some chips that's unique, and if this programmable array chip that stands just right besides the battery is damaged, then we of course have a huge problem. The VGA card is a Paradise card, and it looks okay. Also the backside and the connector looks just fine, so I think this card is okay. And this is the IO card, and this is a Gold Star IO card, and it's have a date code of 1994. And this is the special memory card that's fitted in this machine, and this is original Victor. I remember these cards from back in the day, and you can actually see they have the double sockets where they also could have smaller memory chips. And there is also a serial number and some other markings on this board. And the back side of the board looks totally fine, so I think the damage is not so bad. And this is how it looks from the front. It's actually quite the typical case of the day. So this computer I will do some restoration work on, and I will continue this in another video. So thanks for watching. I will get back to this computer in a week or two and maybe do some tests and maybe do some cleaning and restoration of the motherboard. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you want to be notified when I post another video. So see you in the next video, I hope.